Hello friends, in previous tutorial we have discussed how to create hyperlink text. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss few more types of tags that will help us to provide user a user interaction experience. For that we need to create one more web page, new file. Let's save this file as contact us.html. Okay, this should be a contact us.html. Now as I mentioned, it should open with HTML tag, close with HTML tag. Okay, now inside here I need to mention head tag. Okay friends, and then I need to define body tag. Okay friends, okay, first on at the top it should appear that what is the page name. I want to mention this is a contact us page. Okay, now here I need to create two input section where user going to provide his details. So first would be input, type is equal to text. What kind of input this should be? Input type is equal to text. I am going to provide a name for this input area and it would be email ID. Okay, email ID, no space is allowed, and then placeholder. What is placeholder? I am going to show you email ID. Okay, now similar to image tag, input tag is also no ending tag. Okay, no closing tag. Then I need to provide another type of text and that should be input text, and this is also a type of text, and here I'm going to provide subject and the placeholder would be subject. Okay, now here I'm going to define text area. Okay, provide a name, description, and here user going to provide description. Let me assign a placeholder and details. Okay, now save this. Test site contact us.html. Okay, so we have created three input area. First input area I have mentioned inside placeholder. Now it is showing email ID, so user easily can understand that he needs to provide one email ID here, and in the next input box he needs to provide the subject, and in third input box he needs to provide the details. Okay, now these are not well arranged. Let's provide a style to this. So at the top I can mention style tag. Inside style, I don't want this. Okay, now below here let's provide a container. Div id is equal to contact us container. Okay, now end it here after this. Okay, now we have kept the entire thing inside container. Let's break this. Br, one single br is sufficient. Okay, now define this. Now let's define width of each input area. So how we are going to define? First mention contact us container, so we need to define the width for the main container. Let's say width is equal to 900 pixel, and margin, let's set margin 20 pixel auto, and padding 20 pixel. Okay, let's define style for each input section. Okay, input box, let's mention the width to 90%. Okay, and similarly let's define for text area width 90%. Okay friends, I have saved the file. Let's reload. Okay, And what we want hide for this text, hide for this inbox, and hide for this text area. Let's define this. So the height would be 30 pixel and set margin, okay, 20 pixel. I want same thing for this, but I don't want height 30 pixel, I want height to 100 pixel. Okay, let's save this and let's check. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is a one kind of contact us page. Whoever is your website visitor, he is going to use this page to contact you. Okay, after text area I need to create two button. So button name is equal to, this is submit button. Let's call this submit. Okay, now create another button, call this cancel button. Okay, and here I need one break, but here I don't want any break. Let's see the output first. See, two buttons are created. Set a margin for these buttons. So how can we achieve this? Button and margin left is equal to 100 pixel. See the output. See, this is placed. We can play with the margins. It will set we can set as per our requirement. 400 pixel. No, the width it's down. So let's say 200 pixel. Okay, this is perfect, right? Nice. If I close this, okay, this is looking good. Okay, so we have created a web page where our user can contact us, but we have not defined the functions for these buttons. After providing all the required informations, when user clicks submit, what should happen? We have not defined that. We will cover that topic in another video, but for now the purpose behind this video is to show how to use input and text area in a web page. Okay, in next video tutorial I am going to discuss how to create a main menu. Okay friends, so what will it do? So we are going to create a main menu. It will provide easy access to any web page a user want. Okay, we will see that in next video tutorial. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you.